Hi friends, are you looking for a perfect WordPress theme for making a website for car sharing or dating? This video is for you. In this video, I have SweetDate WordPress theme and we are going to make a website, you can say demo website using the SweetDate WordPress theme. And SweetDate WordPress theme has been specifically developed for dating and car sharing category. So welcome to WP Themes channel, where we have all the hand-picked and well selected WordPress theme plugin and utilities. And let us proceed towards the installation and understanding the complete feature, importing a demo content and having some theme options and customization options on the SweetDate or SweetTravel WordPress theme, you can say. And I will completely illustrate the theme features and the installation process in this video only. And this video is going to be really helpful to make your buying decision easy and choosing a suitable WordPress theme for your upcoming website. If we talk about dating or SweetDate WordPress theme, it is more than a WordPress dating theme in fact, and it has been developed by Seventh Queen. So Seventh Queen being the original developer of SweetDate WordPress theme, and they are Power Elite authors. The theme was actually developed in 2013 only, but regular updates for this theme is also being done. So we can say this theme is compatible with the latest version of WordPress and the social media and WordPress and all such things that are required for running such type of theme or category website. So we have everything updated on the SweetDate WordPress theme, and it is WP multi-language compatible. So it is also a good advantage that if you want to make website other than English, so you can use this theme. And it is really a fully responsive WordPress theme and magically responds to your device. And it is unique, clean and modern premium WordPress theme and perfect for dating or community website, but can be used well for any other domain as well. So this is being the basic introduction, and we are going to take a complete overview about this theme along with the installation and demo import process. So we are going to make a demo website in fact. So if you are coming at this channel very first time, you may please subscribe this channel, because I am bringing all the great WordPress tips, utilities, plugins and themes for you. And such videos are going to be helpful if you are going to own or already having a WordPress website. So if we talk about the demo website, pre-made website, the SweetDate theme come with 3 pre-made website, one with slider, another is white, and third is car sign. So I have opened all the demo website for you. This is being the very first demo, and it is having a perfect look and basically all features like a dating website may require, and it works really very fine. It is a search form, and that is very important in a dating site, and it functions well. So this is being the main feature. And yes, so registration and all such things, login, sign up and all necessary requirements are having with this theme, and join us free, our TV commercial and all such things. So this is presenting the content in a very professional manner, no doubt. And another demo website is this is being the white without any slider, and this is also having equally stunning look and having the same features. And this demo is for car sharing. This is also a good combination of content and presentation. So let us begin the installation. This is being a great theme as I assume, and let us check through this installation what we are going to get with this theme. And actually this video is going to be helpful in understanding that after having this theme you are going to get what features, because once you decide any theme, you cannot change your website immediately after making your website. So it is important to understand all the features. I have a fresh installation of WordPress for installing the SweetDate, and the default installation is running 2021 WordPress theme, the latest one, and the latest version of WordPress, that is 5.8.1. and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have demo content. There are many files under the demo content folder. Documentation is here for Revolution Slider and SweetDate. Licensing, the plugin updates, the Revolution Slider and SweetDate core has been given. Some PHP files has been supplied in the theme pack itself, and the installable main theme file, child theme file, and some older version has been given. So we shall be using SweetDate.zip file for this installation purpose, and let us begin the installation. To install SweetDate, we have to go in the appearance section of WordPress and click on themes. Click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the SweetDate.zip. It is laying under the WordPress folder, so be careful while choosing the installable theme pack. So it is very important. This is a common and silly mistakes being done by multiple people, those who are very new in the WordPress. So you have to select the correct theme file, that is SweetDate.zip, and it is laying under the WordPress folder. Okay, so if you are having direct access on your server, you can directly upload the same file to the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size. However, both activities are same, so you can use any of these methods for uploading the theme. So either you can upload directly to your file manager using your file manager, to your control panel or FTP, or you can use this WordPress interface for uploading the theme. Both work same and fine, and the output is same for both the methods. So don't get confused, don't repeat the process. You have to choose only one. Okay, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, the theme file size is just 2.75 MB. That is what I am telling. So theme is really optimized. This is why it works very fine on the website, and the speed is superb. Using this theme, you are going to get a lightning speed website that works very fast on the every platform. Whether you are using Windows hosting, you are using the Linux hosting, or whatever the server system, so IIS or Apache or light speed, so it is working everywhere fine. So we have tested this. So technically all the themes at WP Themes channel are well tested, and this is why we are showing the installation process, so that you may understand the installation and the demo import process is smooth and usable, so and you can make your buying decision correctly. So theme is really well optimized, and we can now go back to the uploaded file section and extract the uploaded file, and the outcome of extraction is this SweetDate folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files. So we can delete the zip one, it is not required. We have already extracted its part, and now we can go back to the theme section again, and we have SweetDate as another theme option. Now along with the default theme we have SweetDate. Let us check the details. Somehow this image is not coming. Okay, so this is SweetDate version 3.7.1 with me, and it is by 7th Queen, more than a WordPress dating theme, and we can activate it now. And some setup wizard is coming like disturb, and I'm just refreshing. This is landing on a setup wizard page, and return to the dashboard. Let us check what is here. So setup wizard was something presenting a disturbed look, so everything is on screen in my videos. I never used to hide anything. This is being the beauty of this channel. So what I am facing is being displayed on this video, so you may face the same steps or the same difficulties. So it is totally your decision how you are proceeding towards choosing your theme. And yes, it is showing a alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to use the complete feature of this theme. So let us begin the installing plugins, and these are being the list of plugins. So this theme uses Elementor as page builder, so this is of course a great page builder. And the body press is here. This is for social community websites, and SweetDate core plugin has been given, that is pre-packed, and only 3 are required. Rest plugins are recommended. So BB profile search, Envato Market, HubSpot all-in-one marketing, paid membership, Revolution sliders, and sidebar. This theme also supports the e-commerce activity. This is why WooCommerce is here. So we can install all the plugins in the initial stage, and after that, just in case if you are not using any particular feature coming from any plugin, so you can deactivate and delete that particular plugin so that your installation remains lighter. So I always recommend to remove those plugins which you are not using at your WordPress. It is really making your website safe and fast. So at the initial stage we can install all the plugins. First of all, I am going to install separately SweetDate theme core. So again it is a trick. So core plugins should be installed in the very first installation, and that I have done already. Core has been installed and activated in just a second. And now we have to install a rest of plugins, and I am selecting all plugins to install in one go except Envato Market. Envato Market is not required in fact. So again, if you are not confident about your server capacity, don't go for installing all plugins in one go. However, I am doing this because I am confident about the hosting that I am having. And if you are ordering SweetDate WordPress theme in a pre-installed manner at WP Themes website by following the link given in the description of this video, you shall be getting the same capacity server that comes in a very reasonable price. So make a note, you should have a perfect hosting plan for running any WordPress website. So it is very important to choose a suitable hosting that is well managed for WordPress, and speed is guaranteed, and everything should be there, PHP versions and the rest of settings according to the WordPress. So it is important. And now I am going to install all the plugins, and I am installing all plugins in one go. Click on apply. It may take a bit time because number of plugins are 10, and you can see all the plugins got installed in a few seconds. Just the Revolution slider got some error, and it is C URL open SSL read connection. Okay, so I will definitely check it, and it is saying all installation activation has been completed. It means the all rest of plugins has been installed successfully and also has been activated, and it got in just few seconds. So let us check the Revolution slider, what is trouble and the Revolution slider. However, Revolution slider has been given separately in the theme pack, so we don't need to worry. Okay, it is landing on the paid membership pro and will replace. Okay, so dismiss these notices. These are only for alert. And okay, so I'm just checking the Revolution slider. I will show you each and every option what we got in this installation, and again it is landing on BBPress, so I am willing to go in the installed plugin section and looking for Revolution sliders. Okay, it has not been installed yet, so let us install the Revolution slider manually from the theme pack we have, and I will click on add new, upload plugin, choose file, and we have plugin updates like Revolution slider. So I am using this Revolution slider revslider.zip file for installing the Revolution slider, and I believe it should work. And now it has been installed successfully, and we can activate the Revolution slider now. And there is an alert about the body press. We can set the body press parameters later, and it is important for social networking, and HubSpot is here. So all plugins have been installed and activated now, and yes, we are fine with this installation as of now. And we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all setup plugins. So something is disturbing overall installation of this site. So again, it is not in correct look, so that I can check. So let us proceed towards next, and what actually we are going to get in this installation. And it is, as of now, it is not good. I mean, the layout and the UI is not working properly. It may be some error in my installation, but let us proceed. So I am clicking on the theme options. I will go for setup wizard and all. Okay, so theme options, the backend is looking good, but the front end has some problem, and I am looking for the option. Layout settings, we did general setting. So as I was getting problem with the installed version, in fact, so what I did in the back end, I used another theme pack that is supplied in the theme pack itself, that is old version. So I'll show you what I did. So this is being the installable files, and I was having this old version folder. So this is available in the theme pack itself, and you shall be getting also this version while you order the SweetDate theme. And I uploaded this theme file from the old version folder, and now the front end looks good. So this was the problem with the new version. CSS was not coming properly. This is why I tried to use the old version, and it is working fine. So if it is working fine, it is good to us, so no doubt. And this is being the core look of SweetDate WordPress theme after the installing all the plugins and the theme itself. So now we can check. These are the list of plugins that has been already installed. I just replaced the theme pack. I mean the theme file, and nothing else, so all remain same. Okay, so now we have already installed the theme and all set up plugins that has been recommended and required, and we have seen the core look of our website, and now it is time to have demo content on this installation, so that we may make a target website like any of this. This is being the SweetDate main, and this is being the another website of dating using the SweetDate, and this is for car sharing. So yes, we have three options of demo, and you can choose any demo to import. So what I did, I found the demo import option, and this is laying under the setup wizard. Basically this is a theme setup wizard, and it is laying under the appearance. I have yet not used this even in the background, so I'll simply click on the theme setup. It is available under the appearance tab, and theme setup screen is a setup wizard in fact, and we can start here, and I'm just clicking on the start. So install child theme, we can install the child theme, that is not a problem. And install child theme has been done, and next screen is saying install plugins. So advanced option is showing what plugins are remaining. So Envato-Market it is not required in fact, but the setup wizard will not proceed until we install the Envato-Market, so we can install the Envato-Market here, that we skipped during our plugin installation. So setup wizard is saying it is required, so let us install it. Okay, so Envato-Market has installed. Now we have options to import demo website, and we can choose what has to be imported on our website. Since being a new website, we can import all files, all attachments, all should remain checked here, and this is what I am willing to say. And we can simply click on import content, and now I believe the import of content has begun, and yes, it is going to take time because it gets connected from the developer server, and it also depends on your internet speed. And the rest of dependencies are here, and we have to wait on this screen until we get any message on the screen. Don't refresh or hit the back button. And the that screen also got successful with the green mark, so I skipped to record that. But yes, now a screen is saying all done, have fun, and we can view our website. So we can go for our website. Okay, so again we need to set reasons to join my account and home, about activity, and all sets. So we got the content, but everything is not set, so we can go back to the dashboard to understand what is remaining. And let us check the theme pack. Demo content images has been provided. Yes, we and revelation sliders, site styles. So car sharing, modern and readme text. Import the color styles with date, import export. Click on the text button. Already okay, so that is not a problem. We can check this. And let us first go to pages we got in this demo import, and we have got all the images, as I can check in the media files, and these are the pages that we got in the demo import, and home default is here. We can take a look of this. We got 29 pages and 27 are published already. Okay, so we have the complete website here, and we just need to set the menu and the home page itself. So it is good. And what we can do, we can set the menu first. Under appearance, menu is here. Menu is not a big deal in fact. Okay, so menu, create your first menu. So menu is not available in the demo, and this is why the content is looking so blurred. So what we can create, home, about us, so we can take reference from the original demo. Welcome, features, forums, creativity. Oh, that is not good. So what we will do, we will create home, about us, activity, cart, checkout. So I'm going to create a menu for this website because we did not got the menu in the demo import. It is simple to create a menu. I will create a menu. It will not take more than 2 or 3 minutes, so you can simply create a menu. Okay, sorry, I can name it as main menu. And we can add pages here. So home, I believe home is here, and no home page is here, so we will keep it as home default Elementor, add to menu. And next is about us, and next can be activity card. And I'll check the pages first, what can be added in the menu. It is basically a customization type of thing. So we have members and contact and shop. Okay, so we can have members in the menu. Members and shop can be there. You can create your menu according to your need. I'm just trying to make the website complete. Okay, so menu, we can consider menu has been created, and we can change the label home default to home. Okay, so now we can assign the menu, primary menu, that is. Okay, so login visit we can use. So now I have assigned a menu as well. Okay, so this is wonderful, and this image had to changes, and we have this website, and some images has not been provided, so placeholder images has been given, and ultimately we are not going to use those images, but website is complete and it is perfect. So what we are going to do next is the setting of home page, and it also can be done in a simple step. Everything is fine with this theme, so I just replaced the new theme file pack with the old theme file pack that was available in the theme pack, and I followed the installation wizard that is available under appearance, and the site got complete. Just I created menu, and now I am going to set the home page. It can be done under customize option. And now home page setting is here, so we have to select home page only, and full default, home default I am selecting, and publish. So you can choose any page, any of home page as per your website, as you need to have, or as per your choice and requirement. It is up to you, and everything is for you. And now we can take a look of our website finally, and yes, it is a good website we have now, and we have created a complete demo website here. Everything is here, and I believe all pages are working. Let us check. So since we have added the pages, it should work without any doubt. So yes, we have to update our own content on text and images. So some placeholder images has been provided, and some demo text has also been given. So this theme uses Elementor as page builder, and Elementor is always been easy to edit the contents and all the materials being displayed on the page. So this is very fine. And okay, so this is our outcome website, and we can check rest of the pages and the home pages. And now I'll show you the theme options what we got in this installation, and everything what we got in the backend for handling our website. So now first of all, let us check the rest of home pages. So we have already home default and full width template. Okay, so now I am looking for another home page. It should be here. And I cannot see the car sharing page. Checkout is here. Contact. Okay, so only home default has been given in the demo. And what if anyone wish to have the car sharing? You can check in the demo images. Sweet date. Okay, so sweet date is here. Commerce XML, and only sweet date demo content has been provided. So car sharing is not available somehow. And site styles. So car sharing. Okay, site styles, under site styles car sharing is available. Modern is available. There's something like missing. Sweet date demo is available. Car sharing style is available, but car sharing page is not available. Let us check again. CAR cars. If it is here, I'm not really able to locate this. No, so car sharing page is not available. But yes, we have created a dating website, no doubt, without any having other pages. We have dating website, complete dating website, and no need to spend more time on it. So we need to check with the developer itself, so why this has not been provided. But yes, the outcome website we have, the dating website is here. So second option of dating page is also not available. This is not available, this is not available in the demo. So that I need to check why it is not available. But yes, this is available, and you can use this image as well. So save image as, and you can change it. I'll show you how to do this. I'm saving this image, and I'll replace this image to at our website, and let us go to our website. That image is not being reflected because placeholder image has been provided. Yes, so I'm going to change this placeholder image, and I have already downloaded. So it is very simple to edit the content in the Elementor, and in this manner I will show you how to edit the content as well. So just open the page where you want to edit the content, and this is being the image that we want to edit or change. So simply click on edit with Elementor. It takes a bit time in loading the Elementor. Okay, and this is being the image area. Simply click on the area where you want to edit. With image. Okay, so this is being a slider part, I believe. We are using revolution slider, and slider behind. Let us check. So the image is here, and we have to change this image. So media library, so it is coming from media library. We can simply upload new image here, and it is sexy lady. So the revolution slider part can be edited in revolution slider only. That cannot be edited at the Elementor itself. And now we can insert the image. Yes, it is changed. And before saving, okay, so simply save this, and now it should be on our page. It was not a part of this Elementor, and rest things you can edit here. So just in case you want to edit these content, simply click on the area where you want to edit and edit the image or content as you like. So if anything is coming from the, like this area is coming from the post, you can edit this section in the post, and these images are coming from the post itself. So you have to change the image in the particular post. Okay, so just keep in mind that you have to use same length text or same dimension image as given in the demo, so that integrity of your website remains maintained and don't disturb the layout, in fact. And if you are new to Elementor, I will rather advise you to take a backup of your, at least for your home page, so that just in case you can use any duplicator plugin for that. Just in case you made any mistake, you can restore the page. Okay, so we are good, and we can again go to the view page, and I believe yes, this image is here. So editing content is very simple, and you can do this without having any development skill. So you can make your website at your own without any doubt. And if you are having any question regarding the installation or editing or the customization of this thing, so we are here to help you, and I will certainly try to reply all of your questions. So don't worry, just proceed for developing your website. And now it is time to show you the backend. This is being the backend of Revolution Slider, and I'll show you all the dashboard options that we got additional in this installation. Comments, testimonials are common thing. HubSpot is something marketing thing, so you can use that. Memberships, so membership is an add-on plugin for this installation, and membership is important because this is being a dating site, and so membership can be used. So paid membership pro has been already supplied in this theme, and you can use this feature. However, as of now there is no data available. So okay, it is available, and you have to create the membership options and rest of things. So it will definitely work because it has been given in the pro version. RT media is for basically rich text media, and you can handle the media files and rest of settings from here, and it is also has been pre-supplied. So okay, so settings, is for media. So just go to this section only when you feel that it can be done from these settings only. WooCommerce is here, products and rest of things are as common as in WordPress. And what I will show you, the theme setup we have already used, install plugins so we have already used, and this is being the theme panel. So this is important, and I am going to take overview of this. So this is being the general setting of theme options, and logo, favicon and rest of icon like things can be handled from here, and you have to upload your own logo. Layout settings, you have wide and boxed option and responsive design and default layout options to select with. Styling option, again, so you can change the colors, background colors, and header section, header text color can be changed, and some menu links can be changed. So color can be handled from this screen. Basically menu, footer and everything is here. Button text can be changed, and heading, font. So it is an important screen if you want to have your own color and own fonts and setting like things, so design like things. BuddyPress is here. This theme is using BuddyPress for networking activities. So there are some basic setting of BuddyPress available on this screen. This is important, and this is being the setting of main form. So this is being the main form, and I am looking for, I am required, so it is required or not. So BuddyPress is being used here, and we can check on the website as well. Profile, members, we can check. Okay, so let us check the pages. This is already here. So main form is being controlled from here. So this is very important, and the text of main form, your perfect match is just a click away and coming from here. So I'll show you. Serious dating with date, the perfect match is just a click away. So this is being the main form, and that is being controlled from the BuddyPress, that means from this area. And serious dating with sweet date, so this is the text where you might have this question, so I am repeating. This main form is being controlled in the BuddyPress section of this theme panel. So BuddyPress section can handle the main form, and these are the area where you can put the searches and filter the searches. So be careful while setting all these things. So main form is the being the heart of this website, so just handle with care. Okay, and next is the BV profile tabs. Enable profile tabs customization, so you can again enable or disable group base, and such things will be enabled just in case. And profile matching you can enable, and so it is all about the profile matching, and it is very important because your site is going to communicate with the visitors that are willing to have some searches of members. So it is important what you want to put on your website. File matches and WooCommerce setting is common setting. BVPress settings has been given separately. Contact info and social you can handle from this screen, and again, so contact info and email. Miscellaneous settings has been given. Membership, and again membership setting is going to be important. So you have to handle the membership with due care and wisely, so that your site visitors may turn into the member, and visitors turns into the returning visitors, in fact. So I have shown everything just like an overview about the SweetDate WordPress theme. And I understand you might have multiple customization like things for your website, but yes, we are available for you, and we have pro developers so that they may handle your development requirements. Just you need to ping us by following the link given in the description of this video, and you can of course get this theme by following the same link. Everything is laying under this one link. So I believe you will be able to make a website using the SweetDate theme, and it is, yes, for dating only. So only one demo website is working. So this is the conclusion after this installation. But yes, finally we got this website, and this is the outcome website, and it is working fine. So let us meet on our another video, and I am coming with another great WordPress theme or plugin or utilities. So keep watching, keep reading. Thank you.